The order will be ready, I'm telling. Hey!
No.
Catch him!
Sir, Mr. Sir. Please,
Catch him!
don't
What are you doing here?
Please.
Don't spell it.
Mr.
Mr.
Sir,
Take him out.
At least listen to what he's saying.
Mithai, please stay out of
I'll
this.
hit you now.
Let me see what he has to say.
What are you doing there? Please don't hit me. What were you stealing? Please. Come on. Hit him. Hit him, everyone. Sorry. Hit him. He was stealing. Please don't hit me. Please. Sister, I'm from Chennai. Sister. Everybody, hit him.
What? Jonai?
I don't do such things. I don't have a job. No job.
Did he say he stays in Jonai? Oh Lord, how can this be? What will Mithai do now?
Please.
Please don't hit him.
Everybody.
Uncle Shibu, Uncle Rosamai, wait. I beg you, please don't hit him. Brother, get up. Get up. Oh no. Your head seems to be injured. Uncle Rosamai, he couldn't steal it. Maybe he truly is in a thick spot.
Mithai, you don't understand. Mithai, you don't know him. He's unworthy of your mercy.
He said he's from Chennai. Brother, where did you used to stay in Chennai? What did you used to do? Tell me, you have nothing to fear.
I used to work in a sweet shop earlier, sister. But when everything closed down, my sweet shop closed too, sister. No one gave me a job. And for a few days, just to fill my stomach, just to quench my thirst, I did this thing. If I could secure even one job, sister, I won't do this. Believe me, I will never do this, sister. I will never do this. Actually, you know what, sister? This Siddheshwar Modak, everyone in Chennai knows. Everyone knows him. I came here for a job, sister, believe me. But who knows what Lord's want? How could I do this, sister? I attempted this deal. I shouldn't have done this, sister. Who will give me a job, sister? Tell me. No one knows me here. Tell me who will give me a job.
I will give you a job. Wait, I will talk to grandfather. But, Uncle, this brother can handle the delivery for us.
Mithai, are you out of your mind? The person who attempted to steal, whom you don't even know, you are giving him a job.
Yes. And if it harms us in a major way, then
No, don't hit him. Stop, don't hit him. Leave him, don't hit him. He won't do that, Uncle Shibu. Every person should get a chance. If every person distress every other, calling him an unknown stranger, how will the world keep running? When Mithai went to Manohara for the first time, Mithai too was an unknown stranger. None knew Mithai than Uncle. Grandfather. Just because grandfather trusted me, Mithai got the chance to prepare Siddheshwar Modak sweets today.
What's the matter? What's happening here?
This man, sir. This man here. He was stealing money from the cash box.
What?
Just because his house is in Chennai, sister-in-law wants to employ him.
I was saying, this brother used to work at a sweet shop. He knows the work. Actually, as the situation worsened, the shop closed all of a sudden. And his dad's situation led him to do this. I will verify in Chennai that Uncle Sanatan knows a lot of people.
But Mithai, what if he starts stealing from the factory?
Then what? What will happen? Your boss will be dealing with it. I mean, your sister-in-law. She too has a responsibility, right, Mithai? Whatever you will say will happen. Why are you looking at me like that? If you decide to employ someone, who will object at Siddheshwar Modak? Anyway, leave all these things. Return home quickly. Brother will leave today. I'll handle all this. Hey, go inside. Come on, go. Hey, you. Come. Let's see what's your problem.
I don't get what's going on in this house, Sushima. It's almost time for Siddharth's plane, but he's not back from his office yet. And Mithai went to the shop early morning today of all days. Returned, but left in the evening again. What's the matter? By the way, my child, you arranged something last night, right? Whatever happened to that? I hope they don't fight again.
I too was wondering of asking something. Don't you think Mithai is hiding something from us?
Yes, Mom. I told Mithai the same thing. I asked her to return early to pack Siddharth's bag and all. But she told me that there's a lot to do at shop. Lord's birth ceremony is almost upon us and there's a lot of work. You guys handle all that. But Mom, Mithai is not that kind of girl. Right?
We tried to talk to Siddharth in the morning, Aunt Appa. But we couldn't understand anything.
And even Mithai's phone has not been working since a party at Auntie's house. Even we are not able to get a new SIM. No, Grandma. You are worrying unnecessarily. You know that? Grandpa, you know what I think? Sid has already asked Mithai to stay in this house as his wife, okay? Actually, Sid has made such huge claims for so long. I don't believe in marriage. All the wedding rituals are bogus. But now, he's trapped by his own words. That's why he's ashamed.
Fine, at least I understand why Siddharth's running. But Mithai? Why is Mithai running? No, there's something bigger going on. It doesn't seem good to me.
What doesn't seem good, Grandfather? Yes, Mithai's present. Mithai will fix everything now. And Aunt Opa, Mithai spent her day at the factory and the shop and yet returned on time. And your darling grandson? Nowhere to be seen.
Hey. Stand here silently. What's wrong with you? We can clearly understand something's the matter between you two.
What can happen, Aunt? Nothing happened. Why are all of you so worried about this? Mithai and I are exactly as we were. Right, Mithai? Won't you say something about this?
Aunt Opa, why are you worrying so much? And now we will need speed. Speed. Serial brother and new brother-in-law are hurrying so much, you know. And if grandfather's grandson needs to leave, he needs to do that right away. You will need Mithai's speed. After all, the plane driver won't listen to anyone. He won't wait for anyone.
Mithai, just stop it. Mithai, stop it. Mithai, you can't keep everything in one place. Just stop.
There it is. There. Finally, I know everything is all right. Come, let's wait downstairs. Grandson won't be here for so long. Let's them talk. They can handle the remaining packing themselves.
Let's go, Mom.
Come.
Hey, girls,
Come,
come with me.
Sushima.
Come, Nanda.
Mithai, This file has the divorce acknowledgement paper. If you feel the need, you can sign and submit it in the court. Else you don't need to. I mean, don't do anything under any pressure. Sure.
Understood. Do you have anything else to say?
I do. You better ride your world famous bicycle carefully. I'll check on you regularly. And you can stay in this room. You can use my cupboard even the way you want to. Feel free, okay? There's no one to scold you, and I won't be here. And what's that thing you say? Happy. Keep everyone happy. Okay? Oh, there's one more thing I need to do. Wait. Mithai, I've put a new SIM card in this, and this has a lot of numbers saved. You won't have any problem.
Thank you. Thank you. Did I say it right?
Today, even the thanko will work. Okay, Mithai, once I leave, everyone will ask you what I told you before leaving. So please manage that, okay? See, I will never put you in any kind of danger. As soon as I reach Singapore, I will inform everything to Grandpa. But till then, please manage. All the best, Mithai. Take care.
Please be careful. Just keep one thing in your mind, please. There are many people in this house for whom there's none greater than you in their life. That's it. Tufan Mahil won't say anything more than this today. I will just pray to the Lord. May there never be any trouble in your life.
Grandpa, I'm leaving. I was saying, don't be irregular, okay? Stay safe. Grandma, please take care of Grandpa. I won't be here. He'll start some craziness or the other.
Definitely will. Hmm. If you were so worried about your grandpa's health, you might not go as well. Grandson.
Sid, your cab is here. I'll put the luggage in. Have you seen all the papers?
Papers. It's all fine.
Come on, guys, let's go. Should I come? No, brother Sum. We are enough. Yeah, come.
Grandma, please stay safe. What happened, Grandma? Why are you crying? Please don't cry. Please don't cry.
Siddharth, please remember that Mithai is here with us. So please return soon.
Mom, he's going for official work. He will return. Why are you unnecessarily bringing up these topics now? Let him go. He'll be late now. There's a significant amount of traffic jams on the roads.
Stay safe, okay? And stay happy. Listen, please talk to your father before leaving.
Don't do this, Aunt.
Please. Just for today. Please talk to him.
Please see that Mithai doesn't face any problems.
Shri, sister, I think we got our Rakhi gift. Let's shake hands.
1 minute. 1 minute, Sid. Just a minute. Please have this curd before leaving. No, as you don't take sugar, so please have a little bit of this before leaving.
I don't understand. I've been to many official tours before as well, but none did any of this sort before.
Earlier, the entire situation was different. But even you have changed a lot now.
Aunt Sulata is absolutely right. You are within everyone's reach now. But you are completely untouchable before. Aunt, we are getting late now.
Yes. Here.
Not everyone wants to believe it. But if Mithai wasn't here, then this wouldn't have happened.
No, Mom, it wouldn't have. She knows how to unite people. Mom, let Siddharth return soon. I have decided. I will arrange a proper wedding for them.
So, I'm leaving.
Sure. Be careful.
So I have a request for you. I won't be here. Please don't blame Mithai unnecessarily for anything. It's a request.
What do you think
Please, sir, I don't want to jump into any debates before leaving. You know what I mean, and I know you have understood my point too. Mithai shouldn't be forced for anything, please. And she shouldn't be demeaned unnecessarily. It's a humble request. And I'm not asking this for Mithai, sir. I'm only asking this for Grandpa. If something like this happens, Grandpa will be really upset. And I don't want that, sir. Please keep that in mind.